Okay everybody, so what we're going to be talking about today is the fish cleaning camp folding table with faucet. Absolutely love this. I started out with it closed so that you can see how easy it is to set up. And there you go, that's how easy it is to actually just set it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the attachments. So this is the tube that actually goes underneath and it catches any of the water that's going to be running through. And like I said, that is so that rolls down underneath. Then we have the actual faucet. It just screws in right here. And then you're ready to go. You have your handle and everything else. And then I'm gonna go through and show you some of the other goodies that are with it. I like this folding table simply because it folds up. You can take it camping with you if you're going on a fishing trip. It all breaks down like a regular slim table, and this faucet just comes off like you just saw how I put it on. It comes off and stores very well. It travels perfect. It has a little catcher here to catch any of your scales or anything else that you might be cleaning. If you're, say you're just chopping potatoes and you're gonna wash them right here, you're good to go with that. It also comes with a stopper in case you need to stop that water up and you have a little reservoir here. One of the other things, my favorite thing about this is that here it has catchers, so you're not going to be wetting yourself when you're cleaning fish or ducks or whatever the case is, and then you can just tilt it over like that and all that water is going to run out right there, and then you're good to go and you start all the way over again. Underneath here, this is that attachment that I put on, and it literally just screws on. Oops, that's the washer. Screws on and off just like that. I absolutely love it. This is one of the best things that I bought. I was, doing everything like everybody else in the kitchen sink. I have a washroom, but the cleanup is much easier with this because you can just wash it off with the water hose. So the water hose actually hooks up to here, and it has an attachment in case you have some kind of weird funky kind of water hose, which I do not. I've never even used it. This is just a regular standard garden hose. You screw it in, it runs up into the faucet. You have your off and your on, and it just comes out, and you have nice cold running water for when you are cleaning. You actually have here along the sides, let's see if we can see it. See these little marks here? It's almost like it's a ruler, but it doesn't actually have the numbers, so you can write those on later if you need it to. I don't need it, simply because I have it on my actual cooler so I can tell how long a fish is. Now the dimensions of this are 45 by 1 1/4 long, 23 by 1 1/4 inch wide, and 33 and 1 1/4 high. Now what I love about that is you have a standard regular folding table, which I use that before as well if I have a lot of cleaning that I have to do. And what I didn't like about that is because it sits so low. As you can see, this actually fits right up to my waist, and it makes everything work perfect as far as cleaning and cooking or just washing or whatever it is that you're trying to do. You're not bent over trying to reach it, and so it saves your back. Absolutely love that aspect of it as well. And it's very light. It probably weighs, I'm guessing, maybe 8 pounds, 6 or 8 pounds. It has that flexible drain hose here, so that hose doesn't just go straight down, but you can flex it, move it anywhere that you need to. The legs actually lock into place, and when you get ready to break it down, you just give it a little tap like that, and you're good to go. And lock it in place just like that. So unlocking, locking, and then you're good to go with that. The table is easy to wash. You just squirt it down, rub some vinegar or bleach or whatever your own cleaning solution is, and then it comes off. The actual sink itself, is shallow, but it still holds. It's 15 1¼ inch long, 10 5/8 inch wide, and 2 inches and 3/8 of an inch deep. So it's not that deep, but it is deep enough so that you can have that reservoir. If you have a tin wash bucket, that's what I keep with, and I just fill it up and I set it off over here to the side, and I do all of my work over here as well. Absolutely love that aspect of it too. And yeah, this is one of my favorite purchases that I have ever bought, and it comes in handy. Absolutely use it all the time. So yeah, that's the portable fish camp table, and I love it. So I'm gonna give this a bunch of stars because it's awesome. Thanks, guys.